Hi guys, welcome back. So we're here at the house and I'm just gonna do a walk around on my daily inspections of the property so I can see what's been going on for the day. I don't have to patrol it much. The guys know what they're doing. But I do like to take a look throughout the day to make sure that things are being done, you know, appropriately. So let's take a look. We'll see what Sammy's been up to. We've got we have a new nest. This bird right here is really something else. Oh my God. Oh. I have to be careful that these guys don't beat me up. What's going on? Wow, look at all the eggs. How many eggs? Whose nest is this? That gray bird?
Oh yeah.
This one?
No.
No?
The small bird.
Small bird, huh?
First time to
lay eggs.
Yeah. Look at this, very small.
Small eggs.
11.
So, eggplants. Sammy's just working on the trash. Clean it. I want you to clean it out.
Because it's good for new egg layer.
Yeah.
Because it's all hatch, not from the feeds.
Okay. So you think it's the egg layer?
Egg layer.
If we don't feed them egg layer, we'll have better chances of having more chicks.
More chick.
Okay.
Because of the feeds.
Because of the feeds.
Yeah. Look at the new male and you feed the egg layer. She can ready egg.
Okay.
Yeah. Look at the pigs.
How's the pigs?
So big, look at.
Oh my God. Want to see the pigs, guys? I don't know what we're gonna do because I don't want to kill one of the pigs, slaughter one of the pigs until I get back. I won't be back till the end of May.
I will feed the EDP here and.
Okay. How many chicks in here?
14.
14?
Yeah. Because that one is died.
How about the one that was half dead? It's okay now? How about the other one that was like this? It's okay now?
It's okay, yeah.
Oh.
I put the chili in his...
You put the chili in the eyes? He put chili in the bird's eyes. And the bird's okay now. I don't know how that works, but that's what he did. Oh, God. I got a lot of stuff to buy when I go home. One of them is a really good pair of sandals. Can't find good sandals here. Oh, wow.
My friend, it's a very big meal.
That's a male or a female?
Female.
They're both females, right?
Female on. Huh? So,
We should breed both of them? We'll have so many pigs.
yeah. Buy a pig.
You might have bought a pig?
Yeah,
I did?
small. For
Small
the
one?
pista.
Oh, for the fiesta. He could just buy one of these for the fiesta. It's already ready.
Yeah. Pista is really 100 people.
No more Selignum? Okay, we gotta buy some tomorrow.
Outside,
What?
inside.
So you have to do this side. But you have to sand this. Yes. It's too dirty. It's not gonna look nice.
Something like that.
A little bit. Just a little.
I will start her
Okay.
tomorrow.
Just a little sanding to make it look nice.
Yeah, something.
Because it's back here, it's okay. It don't have to look good,
Yeah,
you know? Just in the front.
Front.
You don't have to just put the Selignum on here. But over here, it has to look nice. See, it should look like this. All the bamboo should look like this, nice and clean.
Yeah.
Not like this. The dirty ones, you have to clean it.
Yeah.
So that it looks like this. Look at,
Yeah.
see how nice? How about the papaya? Any papayas over there?
The one papaya I will feed the chicken because I eat the bird, and the one I eat all. He eat I will take. Sorry, because it's very overripe. I will eat.
So, yeah, we got the pigs. They're getting big. Those are Brian's pigs. Brian has amazing pigs at his farm. The 2 pigs that we bought there is so healthy. This is our bamboo that's going to go up in the front of the fence. It's just drying out. Sam, does this have Selignum on it? No. So they still have to put Okay. What? No Selignum on this, right? Okay.
Like that.
Yeah, you have to put the Selignum before it goes up. How about this? Is this dying or is it still growing?
It's growing.
It's growing?
Yeah. You big, a lot of other persons to stay in it.
Nando's packing up for the day. These are the eggs. The eggs for today. How many eggs today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Any eggs this morning? No?
No.
So 7 just today for all day.
All day. Because the one egg one person, I want one chicken, one egg. But the other is not. Maybe it's others he can make a egg. Then I will bring this one.
Yeah.
So,
throw them away.
box.
No good.
No.
There's my dented car from the tree. The fence. There's a look at the fence. Oh, I'm gonna kill her. Look at the sky. So pretty.
Kaya nagbalik ko man naman ang kasuro naman.
Along. I have a friend who's building his house in Bakong.
Yeah.
He said in November he needs a painter in November for his house. Okay. So I told him he has to hire you. He said okay. So in November he'll be back. It's almost finished now, but he don't want to paint it until 2 or 3 months. He wants the cement to get hard.
It's Bakong, sir.
Bakong, yeah.
It's
It's the old foreman. The old foreman is building his house.
4 months.
Yeah, the old one. Our old foreman is over there building his house.
It's November.
In November, he's gonna come back and he's gonna start painting. He said he'll hire you. I told him that he has to hire you because you're the best painter. It's not far. It's okay. You want to work there?
Yeah.
It's near the not far from the cave, Cabignau. So let's hope. I think they'll hire him. They'd be foolish not to. I'll tell you the truth. You guys would be crazy not to. I know if you're watching the video, that's the painter, and you'd be crazy not to hire him. I mean, just look at the work on the outside. Never mind the inside. Our house is done really nice. There's the baby. She sees me. She'll be crying now for me. But as soon as they're done here, we'll get the steel guys to come here and start taking measurements. And then the last thing to do will be this gate. But it's looking nice, right? This is all the grass that I planted, all the seeds that nobody liked. Now look at it. It's so thick. We even have Bermuda grass out here. I can't wait to start working on the landscaping here in the front. It's gonna look so beautiful. This will all be cleared, leveled. There'll be grass, beautiful grass here. We're gonna put flower boxes on the front of this with beautiful flowers hanging down. I'm gonna trim these trees up a little bit more. I don't want to get rid of the trees, but what I have to do is cut the tops a little bit. It hides this wire, these people's electrical wire. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll tell you right now, it's looking nice. Looking really, really nice here. We got really lucky. You leaving? You leaving? You're going home?
Yeah.
You're done? You finished?
5.
Is it 5 o'clock?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Already? Okay.
And tomorrow morning, no Selenium, I will sanding.
Okay. I'll get some Selenium. We'll get it. Yeah. We'll get it tomorrow morning.
And
What is this? From from over there, it's coming through.
yeah, look at the front of the tourist house, a big. Like this one.
Look at, I cut all these down last week. Look how it's growing back again.
This is a nice idea. If no cut it, she can.
So tall, so big. But it's more healthy now that I cut it.
Yeah.
It's thicker. If you don't cut it, it looks like that.
Yeah.
No leaves. But if you cut it, look how thick.
And I will finish doing morning tubes. I will transfer the Bermuda grass to get the wood. Ano na sila na?
Your boyfriend's here.
The stomach.
Well, yeah, but he came to pick you up. Nice guy.
Yeah.
Wow. Hi, sweetheart. You're picking up your friend? He's sick. Poor guy.
What? Ah. Plant there.
Here?
Yeah, but yung sunflower.
Not here.
I will bring this one.
You can bring it home. I have so many sunflowers. Look how big.
Hello. Kumput oh.
Look at this one, it's so tall.
Yeah.
My God. It's nice if we plant another row of sunflowers here
Yeah.
and then one in the back. And this way this will have some shade.
Yeah.
These plants will start growing again, right?
Yeah.
Cause look it, it's so big.
This side.
Yeah, plant another row here of the I have so many sunflower seeds in the house.
Ah, a lot.
Yeah, plant another row here.
I will seeds.
I have it in the house. I'll give them to you tomorrow.
Yeah. This one is seeds in the your wife too in the beside of the water. Orange.
Yeah, then they grow and then she puts them here. Because they're so tall. And this tree, cut it again.
Yeah, and
Give it to the goats.
what is it though?
In November. Yeah, the house will be ready for painting. My friend's house. They're building a new house.
It's my friend Mouse.
Idong kami go bako.
Okay, friend's house Bakong. November.
Yeah, in November. They're not going to paint now. In November, they'll start painting. So you have a nice job there because it's the outside, the inside. It's a lot of painting. It's all.
9 months.
Yeah.
Baby will die.
But that's when they'll be ready. They're not ready now.
Yeah.
In November they'll be ready. So in November you'll have a good job. Maybe for 1 year you have a whole job there.
Thank you. Maybe you die.
No, try to keep them here until November. We try to keep, if we can find work here, we'll keep you here till November if we can.
Yes, sir.
All right, Along. See you later, guys. That's it, guys. That's the end of the work day. Poor Along. He works so hard. And then we got some chilies. So, see you guys. All right, see you later. See you tomorrow. Everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.